You can build a substantial amount of muscle by only using your body weight. I'll be showing you 8 highly effective exercises that can transform your physique and elevate your fitness level significantly in just a few weeks. The last exercise is a go-to for many people running low on time because it's an all-in-one exercise that hits multiple muscle groups all at once. First up, we have lunges. Lunges are an effective compound exercise that target the lower body, notably the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes, while also offering significant full body benefits. These movements are essential for enhancing leg strength, daily tasks, sports, and improving balance and stability. In addition to strengthening your core, which includes your abdominal muscles and lower back, lunges enhance core stability and are beneficial for increasing hip flexibility. This is particularly useful for those with sedentary lifestyles. Lunges also promote joint health in the hips, knees, and ankles. By working each leg independently, they help correct muscle imbalances and ensure balanced strength across the body. You can adapt lunges to your fitness level. Start with basic forward or reverse lunges, walking lunges, and add weight as you get stronger. Aim for 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 12 reps per leg, which means 16 to 24 lunges per set. Take a 1 to 2 minute break between sets for muscle recovery. Beginners should start with fewer sets and reps to avoid overworking muscles and gradually increase as they build strength and endurance. Let me know down in the comments below if you'd like me to do a video on everything you need to know about lunges and the different variations. Number 7. Supermans. The Superman exercise is an excellent addition to your bodyweight workout routine, primarily for its effectiveness in strengthening the posterior chain, which includes the muscles in your lower back, glutes, hamstrings, and upper back. This exercise is pivotal for improving overall back strength and posture, essential for daily activities and reducing the risk of back injuries. Additionally, it aids in balancing muscle groups by counteracting the effects of sitting and forward-leaning activities. The Superman also engages your core, contributing to improved stability and core strength. For beginners, it's advisable to start with 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions. As you become more comfortable with the movement and build endurance, you can increase the number of repetitions or hold the pose for a longer duration like 2 to 3 seconds per repetition. Number 6. Push-ups. An effective way to boost upper body strength is focusing on the chest, shoulders, and triceps. Push-ups are not just about these muscles, they also engage your core, enhance stability, and functional fitness for everyday pushing actions. This exercise is crucial for maintaining good posture as it requires a straight alignment of the body, which helps in preventing back issues. Push-ups create a balance in muscle movement, offsetting imbalances from activities that mainly involve pulling actions, thereby promoting muscle symmetry. The cardiovascular aspect of push-ups benefits heart health and aids in calorie burn. The weight-bearing nature of the exercise also encourages bone growth and density, key factors in maintaining bone health. Additionally, the movement in push-ups generates synovial fluid in the joints, aiding in lubrication and potentially reducing joint discomfort. A good starting point is 3 sets of 8 to 10 push-ups. As you go stronger, you can increase these reps to 12 to 15. To focus on specific muscles, you can try different push-up variations. Remember to rest for 1 to 2 minutes between sets for muscle recovery. Proper technique is crucial for effectiveness and safety in your push-ups, so make sure to learn the correct form and explore various variations. Have you ever tried the other variations of the push-up? Let me know down in the comments below if you'd like to see a video on all the different variations of push-ups and the correct form. Number 5. Planks. This exercise is an effective workout for strengthening your core and shoulders. When performing a plank, it's essential to maintain a straight line from your head to your heels. This posture promotes proper spinal alignment and supports better posture, reducing the likelihood of back pain and contributing to a stronger back. Planks also work on the shoulder and upper back muscles, like the trapezius and rhomboids, leading to improved upper body strength and shoulder stability. The static nature of a plank helps stretch your body's posterior muscles, which can enhance flexibility over time. Planks are a compound exercise engaging various muscle groups like the legs, glutes, chest, and arms. This comprehensive engagement makes it a full body workout and can increase your metabolic rate, aiding in weight management and calorie burn. Starting with 2 sets of 20 to 30 seconds each is a good approach. As you gain strength and comfort, you can gradually extend the duration of each plank or increase the number of sets. More advanced individuals might target 3 to 4 sets of 45 to 60 seconds. If you're getting value from the video so far, smash that like button and subscribe. Number 4. Squats. This exercise is incredibly beneficial, primarily targeting the hamstrings, quadriceps, and glutes. Although squats focus on the lower body, they also demand a strong core for stability, and your upper back and arms play a role in maintaining balance. Squats are a type of compound exercise, meaning they work multiple joints and muscles simultaneously. This multi-joint engagement can raise your heart rate, benefiting cardiovascular health. Additionally, regular squatting improves flexibility in your hips, ankles, and knees, enhancing your overall mobility. As a weight-bearing exercise, squats are great for increasing bone density, which can help in reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Since this exercise engages major muscle groups, it helps lead to more calories burned compared to exercises that isolate specific muscles. It's advisable to start with 3 sets of 10 to 12 squats each, with a rest of about 1 to 2 minutes between sets. As you gain strength and become more comfortable with the exercise, you can gradually increase the number of repetitions or sets. This exercise leads nicely into our next one that will have your legs burning. Number 3. Wall sits. Wall sits are another non-equipment exercise you can do pretty much anywhere, that is, if there's a wall. This exercise is a powerhouse for strength training the lower body, particularly targeting your quadriceps, glutes, and hamstrings without the need for any equipment. Wall sits are uniquely effective in building muscular endurance in your legs. Since wall sits are a static exercise, they are also excellent for enhancing your mental toughness and focus. It's recommended to start with 2 to 3 sets of wall sits, holding each for about 20 to 30 seconds. As you build strength and endurance, you can gradually increase the duration of each set, aiming for up to 60 seconds or more. This exercise's scalability makes it ideal for all fitness levels, allowing you to progressively challenge yourself as you advance. After doing all those squats and wall sits, you'll soon have quad muscles like Saquon Barkley. Number 2. Leg raises. Incorporating leg raises into your bodyweight workout routine offers numerous benefits, especially for strengthening and toning your abdominal muscles and hip flexors. This exercise specifically targets the lower abs, a region often neglected by more conventional exercises. Leg raises are excellent for enhancing core stability, which is crucial for improving overall balance, posture, and performance in various physical activities. Additionally, they can help in reducing lower back pain by strengthening the core and lower back muscles. As for the recommended sets and reps, beginners should aim for 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions. As you progress and your core strength improves, you can increase the number of sets and reps, or add variations like hanging leg raises or weighted leg raises for an added challenge. The versatility and effectiveness of leg raises makes them a valuable addition to any bodyweight workout routine. Number 1. Burpees. Burpees are a dynamic full-body workout that merges a squat, plank, push-up, and jump all into one powerful move. Burpees are known for their high intensity and ability to quickly elevate your heart rate. This contributes significantly to improving cardiovascular endurance, heart health, and overall stamina. Engaging a wide range of muscle groups including the legs, core, chest, shoulders, and arms, burpees provide a well-rounded workout that boosts overall strength and fitness. They are particularly effective for calorie burning and support weight management due to their high-intensity nature, which leads to a sustained calorie burn even post-exercise. The explosive jump in a burpee activates fast-twitch muscle fibers, which is a key for enhancing your explosive strength and agility. The plank and push-up components of the burpee also work on your core muscles, strengthening your abdominal and lower back areas. What makes burpees especially appealing is their efficiency. By combining several movements into one exercise, they offer a quick yet effective workout option, making them ideal for those with tight schedules. Make sure to leave a comment below on any exercises that you think should have been in this video, and we'll try our best to make a video on them.